Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and we are going to try Snapz Super Snack Organic Apple Crunch, made from more than one organic apple, 45 calories, 8% fiber, no sodium, no cholesterol, no fat, no 3% carbohydrate, and vitamin C 2%, no calcium 2%. So let's see what this is like. And you got to have battleship steel propensities to get this thing open. So I don't know how they expect you to tear it open. There's no obvious tear point on this thing, so I got to use a pair of scissors. I guess to eat this, you got to carry on a pair of scissors or box cutter. All right, we will put the scissor down, and these look like very strange burnt potato chips. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's the inside of the bag. I've never seen these before. I have no idea what they taste like. They're dried. They're very dried. Look more like potatoes than apples. All right, let's try this. This is a first. I don't know what they're gonna taste, good or bad. Oh my God. Well, you can. After you chew it for a while, you can taste the apple flavor. But chewing it is like trying to eat a potato peel that's been cooked or dried out on the counter or something. Try one more. No. Where did this strange thing come from? Wellington, Delaware, made in Germany. Well, this is not one of Deutschland's successes. Oh, God! It's got an aftertaste like you wouldn't believe. And I'll try one more. Let's see if I can find a smaller one. I don't know why. Super snack, this ain't it. It may be organic. It doesn't mean it tastes good. So if you see these in the store, I would run, not buy them. Oh, God, that's horrible. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Raining here in Martinez. Have a great morning. Stay dry, warm, wet or cool. Hopefully you're staying dry and warm, and hopefully you have something better to eat than those things. They're god-awful. I'm glad I didn't pay for them. They were free. They were given to me. I think I'll have to get my can of pineapple now and wash it down. Not a great food success there at all. All right, have a great morning, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.